Hi Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the brand new Stampin' Seal, and it's our new adhesive that Stampin' Up is selling. And then we also have the Stampin' Seal Plus, which is a little bit stronger. Well, it's actually a lot stronger. It's more like our Fast Fuse used to be, but a lot stronger. Okay, so you can tell here the packaging is really nice. It's not the cardboard anymore. So we're going to go ahead and open up our Stampin' Seal. Whoop, just pulled it out by the lid here. So this is the cover that I just pulled off here. So it goes on here if you want to use that. Just like that. And these are refillable, which is the refill is right here. So let me go ahead and take that one out of the package. So this is the cartridge that's going to hold your adhesive inside, and then there's the refill. Okay, so to open it, let me take the lid off here. To open it, you're just going to squeeze. I find that putting the end here on the table gives me some force to squeeze it, and then it just pops apart, just like that. And then when you're done with the adhesive, this slides out, just like that. And then you're going to pop the new one in by lining these circles up with your adhesive cartridge, just like that. And then you pop it together. Sometimes you hear a click, sometimes, oh, there was a click right there. Hopefully you heard that. So then you're ready to go. So now the cover that comes with it, you can cover it when you're not using it. I find that I just keep the cover off. It's no big deal. All right, so let me grab some cardstock. Okay, so I have some cinnamon cider here I want to show you, so the color will show the adhesive. So when you first get your adhesive, you're going to forward it with your thumb or your finger to get that sticky part going. And then now that Stampin' Up says that you do not have to check or slide like we used to with the Fast Fuse, I find that it's more of a habit with me doing the check or the slide. But Stampin' Up says that you can just roll it and then stop and then lift. Roll it, stop, and lift. Roll it, stop, and lift. Okay, so there's your adhesive. Now when I do it, I tend to roll it and check. Roll it and check. So I guess it's either way works, but it rolls on so quietly and smooth. It's amazing. And it's really, really super sticky. All right, now let me show you the Seal Plus. Okay, so I have some Costa Cabana cardstock here. So this is a brand new, the Seal Plus. So I'm going to go ahead and push it forward with my thumb. And then this is the same idea. You're just going to stop and lift, right? Stop and lift. With myself, I still like to apply and then slide or check over to the right. But it just depends. You can do either way now. So the Seal Plus looks a little bit different on paper. I'll show you here. I don't know if the camera's even picking that up, but it looks more like stripes inside of the adhesive. Can you see that? And it's a lot shinier. So I'm thinking that that's the way you can tell the difference between the adhesives, even though the Seal Plus is a dark blue and this is more like a outer clear with the outline of the light blue, or maybe a Costa Cabana. So can you tell the difference here? So this is the regular Seal adhesive, and then this is the Stampin' Seal Plus. So this is a little bit shinier to me. Okay, and I love the cartridge, the way it fits into my hand, and I tend to use the adhesive just like this. So I have two fingers down here. The pointer finger is going to be more of a guide to how I put the adhesive onto the cardstock. So let me show you here. So it's just gliding it just like that. Okay, so however you hold it, you're going to find it's a really comfortable fit into your hand. I actually really love it. So that's it. So if you have any questions about this brand new Stampin' Seal, Stampin' Seal Plus, just let me know. And I'll have the two adhesives listed down below for easy shopping at my online store. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.